Hello my friends, welcome back to my estate video. In today's video, I want to let you know that it's only action takers that get results. If you are not an action taker, you are not going to get any results. Okay, so don't kid yourself, guys. If you are being presented with an opportunity and you choose to ignore the opportunity, you choose not to take action, believe me, you are not going to get any results. Okay, results only comes to people that take action. If you are not taking action, no matter how long, how many times you are going to keep asking for the same information, right? You are not going to be able to move forward from where you are. I just want to let you guys know because some people have contacted me many times asking for information about estate. I keep giving them information every single time. They keep asking, I keep giving them. They don't take action. It's only when you take action that is when you will see results. Now, that being said, in line of taking action, take a look at this, our member. Okay, this our member just dropped this message and said, my first withdrawal on estate just landed within 5 minutes. And he said he was loving the estate. Right? That was his comment. So this is my private group, right? You cannot come into this private group unless I add you to the group. Okay? But again, people are sharing their testimonies in my private group, both my messenger private group and my telegram private group. Okay, they are sharing their progress, they are sharing their results, they are sharing what they believe is genuine. Estate is genuine, it is legit. Okay, when you put money here, you will get the value for your money. You will allow your money to make more money for you. Your money will work for you and generate that daily income, which is why you see people that are sharing their screenshot. People are making withdrawals. You can see this is a withdrawal that has been made by me, not somebody else, right? Successfully sent to my e-wallet, $191. And there is another one again, $503, right? So, guys, you just need to take action, guys. If you don't take action, sorry, you are not going to get any results. It's as simple as that. And right now, they are currently doing some Black Friday and property bonus promotion. Okay, so as I said in my two previous videos, right, you can start the villa real estate with $3,120, and that will earn you $19 on a daily basis, right? This is part of the promotion that they are doing. If you wish to take action today, you are more than welcome to do so. If you don't have 3,120 to start, you can start with $10, okay, or below $3,000 if you wish to do so. This is taken from the back office of my account where I am earning between $17, $18, $19 on a daily basis. This has been consistent, and as I said to you guys, estate is legit. The daily earnings are coming in on, like, clockwork. And what we are doing here is we are purchasing a fraction of real estate, and the profit you are looking at just now is pure profit from the money I have used to purchase that villa estate. That is not the bonus you get for referral commission. What you are looking at right now is actually my original profit that I am getting with zero referral bonus, guys. Zero referral bonus. So, guys, if you don't take action, you are not going to get anything. This is another guy that is earning almost $200 on a daily basis. This is one of our team members in estate that shared a screenshot, okay, with us. So he purchased a business real estate, okay, and this is getting him $200 on a daily basis, which is great. If you want to follow the full step, if you want to take action, you take action. If you don't want to take action, you are not going to get any result at all. It's only when you take action that is when you get results. Okay? Now remember, you do not need to start with thousands of dollars. You can start with only $10. That is how accessible this platform is. They've made it possible for every single person to take part, eventually earn your daily income from this platform. Okay, so this video is for action takers, those that are ready to take action. The link to do so is below this video description. Use the link below this video description, sign up, complete your KYC, deposit money, and purchase your real estate, and you will see action. After 24 hours, action starts. Daily basis, you will see your profit Mondays to Fridays. And you can also withdraw your profit if you wish to do so. Okay? So, guys, thank you very much. I shall see you in my next estate video. Stay blessed and stay focused.